Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In my last Lego minifig related video, I was opening the DC minifigs, and it turns out that it takes much longer than you would expect to open and put together a minifig. Well, it just took longer than I was expecting. So what I'm going to do is, I ordered 10 of these with my last Lego order just to see what they look like, and I'm currently working my way through them. Last video, I put together 3 of them, which are kind of neat looking. And let's see how many more we can get through in this video. Hopefully we can finish the rest of them. At least I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to try not to dally so much and not be so incompetent when it comes to actually putting these things together. Alright. Plus, if we get any duplicates, I'll just skip putting those together. Alright, so we got a Joker for this one. So let's see. Joker is pretty straightforward, looks like. Does this one have the feel of like the Cesar Romero Joker for y'all? I don't know. The face kind of looks like that. Or maybe it's the hair. Alright, so pop his hair on, like so. I don't know. What do y'all think? Does he look Cesar Romero-esque or not? Maybe not. So, he's got a Joker card on a tile. Like so. And then he's got a weird lollipop thing? Cotton candy thing? Not 100% sure what this thing's supposed to be. Anyway, whatever it is, here it is. It's a sticky thing to bash people with, maybe? So, that's the Joker. He doesn't look too bad. I kind of like the looks of him. I feel like these things, I wonder if they're ever going to have like a Lego store sale where these things are, we got another Joker. Well, not really a whole lot of point in putting together Joker number 2. So we'll skip that one. Actually, this might go by more quickly. I'm not sad for another Joker, but I would prefer a different figure. So there's that one. This one is different. It's a Batman, I think. Yeah, looks like a Batman. So for Batman, looking at that. Alright. Not too terrible, I guess. I'm still not a huge fan of the capes. But I mean, like I said before, I've never really liked the... Huh. That's an interesting head. Oh, it's not supposed to be in there, is it? I was going to say, that's a weird looking two-piece, like one-piece head thing. But it's not supposed to be a one-piece head thing, I don't think. The head got stuck in the thing already. Ooh, I got a plan on how to head the Batman. I'll pop it on there, and then it should come right off. There we go. Alright. That's weird. So, can y'all see that head? I guess it's set up so the white things... Yeah, there we go. Ah, that's kind of cool. Can you see that? The white goggles are set up so... They're lined up so they make the eyes of the head white. That's cool. Alright. Neat. Anyway, let's stick a good old Batman together real quick. So we got that. And we got a cape. Oh, so disappointing. I mean, the capes are okay, I guess. They don't ever seem like they survive. I know that when I was a kid, if I got anything with a cape, I tossed it. Maybe when I was an adult, if I got anything with a cape, I tossed it. I've been a little better about capes lately. So we'll pop on the bat head and give him a batarang. I wonder why they're blue. Give him a batarang. And his, like, swinging rope thing. So, Batman. Alright. Not too bad looking again. I'm not, like, disappointed with Batman, the way he looks. And we can action pose him as well. Alright. So we're down to 4 left. Maybe we can get through the rest of these. Let's see. See what this one is. This is... Is there a Cyborg? Yeah, this is Cyborg, I think. Okay. A little thingy. Alright. Yeah, this is Cyborg. So... I don't know why Cyborg has a purple chain, though. Alright. For some reason, Cyborg seems like he's rather short on accessories. So, he's got a hat, like so. Doesn't look too bad. What do you think? I don't know how I feel about the purple chain, though. It's kind of a weird choice. But he's supposed to have a purple chain, apparently. Alright, so purple chain. Am I just doing something wrong with this? I feel like I am. Alright, purple chain. Not a purple chain? There we go. So he's got his purple chain. Alright. So, he looks okay, I guess. Not too bad. Purple chain aside. Next. This one looks like Huntress. Yeah, cool. Alright. So let's see. She's got 2 belt things. Alright, maybe they give you an extra belt. Alright, so she has her little utility belt. So, pop that on. Pop that on. Okay, I don't know how I feel about these little extra add-on things. Because I got the unicorn girl, and her like little tailpiece seemed to make her not want to stick to the, like, seemed to create too big of a gap. Wow, she's got a lot of hair. Alright, so there's Huntress's thing, and she gets a little crossbow. I don't know why there's 2 utility packs. Or 2 belts. Alright. I have the worst time. There we go. Alright. So. This is not too bad. She actually looks kind of cool. You'll see her okay? It's pretty good. Alright. Last two. Batmite. Ugh. That just makes me sad. My distaste for Batmite is going to make me probably not put him together. And this one is alright. I don't know who this one is. I feel like I'm going to lose nerd points for not knowing who this is. B-girl? Is there a B-girl? I do not know. Let's see. Apparently, we got instructions for good old B-girl. Who is she, anyway? Let me know in the comments, because I'm not sure. I missed this one. But apparently she's angry. Kind of neat looking. I like the looks of the wings. The wings look pretty good. Can y'all see them? Alright, so I guess unnamed B girl. Neat looking. Alright, so aside from the fact that Batmite is dead to us, that takes care of all of the minifigs. Anyway, if y'all have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to check these out, I'll include a link in the description for Amazon and the Lego page. If you decide you want some of these and you're checking out the links, make sure you check both places, because sometimes the Lego store or Amazon might have a sale. And if it's getting toward the end of the run for the minifigs, a lot of times Lego will have a sale on them while they'll be in the clearance area. So anyway, it might save you a few bucks depending on how many you get. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.